Looks like I am being tortured. Started a new series with the walking pad. The romantic Shahrukh. That is the Shahrukh we miss. Sharon was not recording, guys. Guys, look at the coffee situation. It's getting out of hands. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another Hustle with Sab, where you and we hustle together. Woke up late today because my body is so sore and everything hurts because of the workout I did yesterday was really like heavy and intense. And आज मेरी body बहुत ज़्यादा दुख रही है, so I wanted to sleep a little extra. But Sharon just came and woke me up. Literally woke me up. She hates me. She hates me resting. She just doesn't want me to rest. Yeah, she's like. I have to be there at 12 o'clock for an interview, and this is not digital. I have to go and be there. It is 11:15 and I have just gotten up quickly, had a shower, just पानी डाला body पे और बालों पे थोड़ा spritz किया. आँखों से लग रहा है ना कि मैं अभी उठी हूँ. First thing I have in the morning is काकड़ी, क्योंकि मुझे मेरे nutritionist ने बोला है कि कॉफी पीने से पहले काकड़ी पी so that it doesn't dehydrate you and you have hydrated before you dehydrate with coffee. So cheers. Yeah, now let's go. Guys, late हो रहा है. I'll wear my outfit on BRB. This is the outfit Sharon has picked out for me. It's from Savannah. It's like a quad set. ये मैं दिल्ली भी लेके गई थी. मैंने पहना था क्या दिल्ली में? नहीं पहना था. मेरे बाल थोड़े damp है, तो this is the right time to apply curling cream. I'm first going to do that to just keep my curls in place. Since we don't have a lot of time, I didn't wet my full hair, and now that I don't do the whole hair wet again, my curls are naturally staying. You know, you don't have to like wet the whole mane again. पहले जब मेरे बाल बहुत फ्रिजी थे, बहुत वेवी थे, तभी I would have to do the whole hair wet again every time I want to style it. So that's a good thing that now my curls are naturally forming and staying in place. I'm going to apply a little bit of gel also. The curling cream, पहले I'll let it absorb into my hair and तब तक I'll apply my other skincare. I do really like curly hair on me, and I want my curly hair to be longer. Like I don't want short curly hair because I don't think it will frame my face properly. So longer curly hair will look nice. Okay, we're hydrating the body with kakri. And of course, we need to hydrate the skin because you know my body is the driest body there must be. It is so dry, like you can see dry patches on my body if I don't moisturize, and I hate these crusty elbows. Absolutely hate it, and you all know this is always on my vanity, my bedside table. This is the Plum Body Lovin's Vanilla Caramello. I love the fragrance. I love this body lotion. I have emptied so many of these, and today I'm so excited because Plum Body Lovin's team has sent me a new variant. This is Hazelnut Eclair. It is literally the same body lotion that we all love, but it is in a hazelnut variant. And that day when I went to Adu May's podcast, Reet and Adu and May actually gave me the hazelnut eclair to smell it, and Reet and I both fell in love with how it smells because it has this rose. So I've already smelled it, okay? So I was excited for this to come. In the podcast also I said, okay, I'm waiting for the Plum Body Lovin' team to send me my PR. Taking a generous amount of the lotion for my hand. See how hydrating that is, and immediately sinks into the skin. Look at the sheer difference of glow this adds to my body. If Impulse Coffee's Nutcut Hazelnut had a body lotion variant, it would literally smell like this. It's sweet roasted hazelnuts, and because this has vitamin B5 and cocoa butter, it's so hydrating for the skin, but the texture is beautiful, like lightweight, non-greasy. एकदम जल्दी से body में absorb हो जाता है. I like to put on my neck as well because यहाँ पे मैं perfume layer करूँगी, and I think with this a nice warm fragrance like Vanilla Caramello would also taste really good as perfume with this. Dude, I smell so good. I'm obsessed with how nice I'm smelling. Honestly, I think this is going to become my favorite from Plum Body Lovin'. No kidding. Like, this is really my kind of a fragrance in a body lotion. Very nice. Very, very, very nice. Like, it's unisex also because I think men's perfume is going to layer very nicely with this particular lotion. I said this to Reet also. You know what I'm actually super excited about? That Plum Body Lovin' has launched body butters in all their iconic fragrances. These body butters are literally like dessert in a tub. Hydration for your body, like intense hydration. We've got marshmallow melt. This body lotion literally lives in my other bathroom forever. So post wash, I love to go directly in that washroom and apply marshmallow melt. Then we've got Vanilla Caramello that sits at my bedside vanity, and now Hazelnut Eclair, which is soon going to become my obsession. You know what? I'm going to apply this one on my leg. It's brand new. This is what the packaging looks like. Comes with this cute little chammach and a nice secure seal. It's a thick body butter. Dude, I'm falling in love with this fragrance. It is so me. This fragrance is so me. It's roasted, sexy, matte, sweet, matte. I cannot explain it. Like, it's a definitely the kind of body butter or body lotion or perfume that you want on your body the entire day, not just a morning fragrance. Even though this is like a thicker cream, it's actually really fast absorbing. Hazelnut Eclair has a nice, rich cocoa hazelnutty fragrance. It's absorbing fast and it's deeply, deeply nourishing. Like, honestly, if you have a dry body type, you really want to try these out. These would be also great to apply in the night time. Vanilla Caramello is a warm vanilla aroma. Marshmallow Melt is sweet cocoa marshmallow. You know I love this fragrance because it reminds me of my New York trip. And this is a very rich cocoa hazelnut fragrance. I think all my older ladies over here and even men, y'all are gonna fall in love with this one. And if you have an extreme dry body type, this is going to be a lifesaver for you. It's very, very hydrating. Like, my legs feel like makhan and very nicely hydrated. And I love the feeling of moisturized skin. You know, I hate the feeling of dry skin. It's an ick for me. Even if I see somebody else's skin dry, it really bothers me. So these are all such nice formulations. Plum Body Loving always kills with their body care products. I'm going to link everything for you niche. They'll give you deeply nourished, hydrated skin and also make you smell really delicious. Okay, now since my skin is breaking out, मैंने last vlog में skin treatment किया था, आपने देखा होगा. तो अभी मुझे ना सारी purging हो रही है, सारे acne बाहर आ रहे हैं peel की वजह से. I won't apply makeup even though my doctor said it's okay. I just don't want to bother my acne. Let it come out, let it get out of my system naturally. We'll just do the concealer, lipstick वाला basic makeup क्योंकि मुझे skin को बचाना है, right? That's more important. And we'll accessorize and stuff. So let's get started quickly. What's the time?
Time is 11:35.
35? Abs? Guys, I'm killing it. 11:15 से उठ के नहा के
मैं आई थी.
धो please
तो
look at my
मेरे
speed.
को रात को बोला गया था I will go to always swimming and Sharon is on the script and I will shoot.
I was going to go for swimming guys in the morning because मेरी body बहुत दुख रही है ना, तो मुझे लगा swimming करने से अच्छा जाऊंगी. मैं आज जाऊंगी. क्यों नहीं जाऊंगी? नीचे तो pool है, तो मैं maintenance भरती हूँ, मुझे जाना चाहिए. First doing jewelry. Okay, let's just do this bangle and watch. This is my this tag. This is my this tag. This is the curling gel Reet and I are enjoying now. वो इसका दूसरा version लेके गया, उसको वो नहीं पसंद है. उनके पास दो है, medium hold and hard hold. So I am using medium hold and Reet is using hard hold, but he doesn't like hard hold. Hard hold is like those set wet के gel आते थे ना बचपन में, वो एकदम cast छोड़ देता है and एकदम ज़्यादा hard hold देता है. So that we don't like. This is a nice volumizing gel which gives some definition to the curls and keeps it like that for longer. And I like to just flatten my flyaways also with this gel. I forgot to put hair growth serum last night. Oh my god. Sharon, I dropped sunscreen on my top. Everything was going fine तो मेरी नजर लग गई. पानी मार के
नहीं
पानी मार के जाएगा ना?
दिखता है.
डाइसन से सुखा दे. Guys, I'm removing my clothes. So I'll see you after my makeup is done. Okay.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, did this makeup. Very simple. Mascara मेरा ना थोड़ा सूख गया है. I'll have to buy new mascaras. मेरे जो existing वाले सूख गए और मेरे पास दो नाखून भी नहीं है. ये वाले. ये दो नाखून नहीं है. But you can't tell, can you? I can tell. You can also tell. It's okay. I'm having my impulse coffees on the go. मेरे morning supplements रह गए सारे के सारे घाई में. घर जाके remind me to take it. This lipstick combination is becoming my go-to, जो मैंने दिवाली पे भी लगाया था. बताओ कौन सी है? दिवाली के Get Ready With Me में it was there. My acne is concealed with concealer. That's the makeup I've done. Luckily all these studios are close by, so even though we were late, we are not really late. You know, when you told me I have this shoot in the morning, मैं अभी bed में थी. I was going to check the address and decide if I'm, yeah. I was like,
सारा लास्ट में टांग दे रहे हैं.
no. It's only because it's नजदीक. I was like, ठीक है. If this was like a little 4 kilometers beyond my radius.
Hi, I'm Sonal and today we are going off script with the founder of the only impulse you should not resist. जिसकी कॉफी पीने से आ जाता है जोश. I'm talking about the founder of Impulse Coffee, Sara Sarosh.
Many hours later.
फज्जू इतना स्मार्ट डॉग है कि मैंने उसके लिए पी पैड्स लाया है. I want him to start peeing on a pad and not newspaper. हमारी पूरी टाइल्स वगैरह सब खराब हो जाती है because he scratches the newspaper and also it like रायता फैल जाता है पूरा इधर. But then he went and peed here, not on the pee pad. Why is he so smart? Fajji, where are you? Come here. Look at your hair. You got up from your sleep? Come here, I have to show you something. Quickly. Come. Get up from your sleep. Come here, I have to show you something. Come. Come quickly, quickly. Quickly. Quick. Come on, come on. Faju. Faju, come here. You have to make shushu on dish. Come here. I have to show you something. See what I got for you. See. Faju, see. Faju. Faju, see. See, mama. See. You make shushu on dish, okay? You make shushu on dish, not on newspaper now. Okay, Baba? Got it? Got it, Mama? Good boy. Good boy. Make shushu. Faju, make shushu. अरे यार कुतरा. Faju, make shushu here. You're my smart boy, no? Now Mama got you new. Good boy. Ale, good boy. Faju, such a good boy. Faju, such a good boy. Such a good boy, Mama Shoni. My smart boy. Faju is my smart boy. सत्यम ने जाके खाली रख दिया. You have to get him excited. Excited. Who's excited for his new pee pads? High five? No high five. No. Afternoon, Lord और Lord मेरे बच्चे को Lord और नीनी आई है. She can give. Good boy. चलो नीनी कर लो आप. Mama's doing work. You do Nini. Guys, the podcast went so well and I'm very happy with how it went. I'm not removing my makeup because I'm going to be shooting some content for my team. I've lost 2 nails and I do want to go get them, but I don't have time today. I have to shoot some content for Impulse Coffees as well as for Sara Sarosh. तो ये सारा कंटेंट शूट करेंगे और शाम को हम पूरी टीम मिलके जा रहे हैं. ओम शांति ओम. We are going for Shahrukh Film Festival because I'm a Shahrukh fan and it's only fair that if his movie is in theaters, we are going to go for it. So we are going for Om Shanti Om. I really want to watch Mehuna also and I want to watch DDLJ also, but we'll go for Om Shanti Om. It's in theaters again because of his birthday, so we're all going. हमारी पूरी टीम मिलके जा रही है. Like a team bonding plus Shahrukh. What a lovely evening to spend. नहीं सीधा रख. Then it won't be scary.
You don't.
I won't move. It's visible now. Keep no. We have a buy 2 get 1 sale at Impulse Coffees. So now if you're buying 2 coffees, you're getting 1 absolutely free. It looks like I am being tortured to say this.
Hey, we are going for Om Shanti Om today.
Yeah. बोला मैंने. Look at how excited. I told Sharada she was happy about it. Bollywood movie के लिए वो कभी हाँ नहीं बोलती है तो.
And this is like Om Shanti Om with like crying, husna सब after excited.
Yes, you are excited. And people are, I'm seeing all these reels जहाँ पे लोग जा रहे हैं तो like theater में लोग like जाते हैं disco में full गा रहे हैं. I'm like that's the energy I need.
Two hours later.
Guys, my family was giving me so much BT कि मैंने ये walking pad खरीदा और मैं use नहीं कर रही थी. So I started a new series with the walking pad that is trying to find new brands for gym which are not Adidas and Nike. And now I'm going to do every single series on this. So then I've used my walking pad, so I don't have to sell it anymore.
Thank you. एक बार यूज करने को.
सीरीज बनाए है ना तो बार बार यूज करेंगे. तू तो हर चीज में कंप्लेन करती है. Shut up.
Series और इसका athleisure वाला.
हाँ, that's what I said. Na day 1 of finding gym brands which are not Adidas. Like there has to be another brand. You need to find me brands. I have to shop from them, make a series, and I get gym wear. Employ the entire team. I don't know. Everyone is at your disposal. Use them all. But lighting थोड़ी और dark नहीं होनी चाहिए. तो तेरे पे focus आएगा. ये तो general lighting लग रही है. इसको ऐसा focus light जैसा गिरना चाहिए. तुम लोग दूर हटो. हाँ. और हाथ लंबा करो. हाँ. शेरिन 2x पे नहीं लिए. 1x पे लिए. वो आएगी तभी 2x कर. रोल करो. हाँ तुम लोग को ये करना है guys. Shadow सी ना shadow play सी. Yeah, very good. Come. Very good. Great. Got it.
A few moments later.
Faji, bye. Everybody is leaving you and going for movie. Not coming, Faji. Not coming to a movie.
Will you coming?
Hey, behan. वो रेडी हो गया था कम के लिए। गाइस 7 बजे की मूवी है, 7:20 को हम गाड़ी में घुसे। भैया प्लीज हमको जल्दी पहुंचा दो थिएटर। मेरे शाहरुख खान का दर्द इसको नहीं मिस होना चाहिए बस। एंड दीज 2 गर्ल्स हैव नॉट इवन वॉच्ड दिस मूवी, सो व्हाट अ क्राइम, व्हाट अ क्राइम। Yeah. How can you not?
कभी नहीं देखा, आधा देखा।
Are you a Shahrukh fan or no?
I am, but ओम शांति ओम नहीं देखा मैंने।
ऐसा
I'm very
कैसे?
selective शाहरुख खान।
No. Om Shanti Om is a classic. That दास्तान song पे तो I flip. अभी हम लोग का थोड़ा जा रहा है previous जन्म वाला portion, but ठीक है, हमने पिक्चर देखी है, so it's okay. We'll make it for the good parts. ऑफिस भी ऐसे ही आता है रैपिडो पे 30 मिनट्स करके हम अटके गंदी ट्रैफिक में। ओह मेरा शाहरुख।
पिक्चर चालू करते हैं।
Yeah, that's a very good idea. पहुंच गए चलो ये एक ही सिग्नल है। कम ऑन लेट्स गो।
One eternity later.
पीवीआर जुहू तो पूरा कंस्ट्रक्ट हो रहा है, पीवीआर जुहू ही नहीं है पूरा का पूरा। Shut up, this was PVR Juhu. All are they are saying box office shut. The mall is under renovation. How will I know all this? I don't watch movies regularly. Bollywood वैसे भी ढंग की पिक्चर है तो बनाता नहीं। अभी जो री-रिलीज हो रही है वही देखने आए हम। हसन को बोला किसी ने, ऊपर है वो, किधर है? चल किधर है PVR का एंट्रेंस? ये है ना? Way to PVR लिखा है ना, Way to PVR. Let's go. Guys, we made it. देखिए कितनी छोटी है पिक्चर।
एक बार हाथ जता कर तो देखो, फिर तुम खुशी को नहीं, खुशी खुद तुम्हें चुनेगी।
सच्ची?
मोची।
Guys, look at the crowd. Normal movies में इतने लोग नहीं आते, शाहरुख की पिक्चर में ही आते थे। The popcorns are being secured. Let's go.
Later that same evening.
Guys, it was so much fun. Oh my god, क्या मजा। थिएटर फुल था, literally full था. I have not seen anybody sit for a Bollywood movie the entire time. Like honestly, I've not seen a Bollywood movie in very long, to be honest. And इतना भरा हुआ थिएटर तो मैंने बहुत टाइम बाद देखा है. It was a vibe to watch this movie with everyone in live. I'm so glad I went. Like this was such an impromptu plan. मुझे बहुत जाने का मन था. मैं लोगों की रील्स देख रही थी और मुझे इतना मन हो रहा था जाने का, but I didn't have company, and then I just asked the team and everyone was like, हाँ चलो चलते हैं, and then we all went and it was so much fun. We had so much fun. Riya and Rimjim had never watched the movie, so we started watching in the car क्योंकि हमारी starting की बस 15-20 मिनट ही छुट्टी. It was like a full packed schedule that they had running in PVR Juhu. Like हर 15 मिनट बोल रही हूँ, हर 1.5 घंटे में there is a show for Om Shanti Om. I really want to go watch Main Hoon Na also now. Like the dopamine kick I've gotten out of watching SRK in theaters again. Truly Diwangi में जो stars है, they were the last of the stars in my opinion. Like in everybody's opinion, right? Bollywood doesn't make movies like that anymore. We had so much fun. 11 बज रहे हैं. Just got home. Everyone's left for their houses and I'm going to go have a shower, wind up for the night. And yeah, it was the best day of the week already. I'm saying this even though it's Wednesday, but I'm saying that it's the best day of the week. मेरा तो साल बन गया guys शाहरुख को थिएटर में देख के. मतलब of course I go for all his movies. I'm a big Shahrukh fan. I go for almost all his movies. I go for Jawan. Like I went for all those movies, but फिर भी वो वाला feel नहीं आता, वो वाली बात नहीं. अभी I'm very excited for King, which is going to come, which is his movie that he like released the trailer on his birthday. I'm excited for that movie. I will go for that movie, but the romantic Shahrukh, that is the Shahrukh we miss.
The next day.
आज Thursday है, तो आज we can finish. Guys, my nails were all broken. You all know that. So I came to Neha salon. 2 नए नाखून लग चुके हैं and अभी बाकी के नाखून का shape change हो रहा है, color भी change हो रहा है. I have to get this done quickly and get to shooting. This was my previous set, which was so nice, but I'm getting a refill and changing the color now. I want to go more pale nude. I like this. ये अच्छा है ना? कौन सा अच्छा है?
ये ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है, ये थोड़ा सा लाइट है.
Washed out लग रहा है. Yeah, this one.
Later that same evening.
What's up guys? आज का काम बहुत लंबा चला है. It is 9:30 और अब भी हम ऑफिस से निकले. Operations team, marketing वगैरह की टीम निकल चुकी थी, but operations went on for really long. We have to start planning for next year's launches, everything. तो काफी लंबा चला है. I've not eaten my dinner yet. I am going to go to Shwetadi's house and eat dinner. I have Fajju here with me. Fajji and I. Mama Fajji. Fajji and Mama going out. Fajji is so happy. So happy, no? Smile. Fajji, smile. उसपे ऐसा कैमरा डालो तो he is not going to smile. Fajji, where we are going? Where we are going? Tell me. Where we are going? Fajji loves to go out. और हम रुके थे सत्यम के लिए क्योंकि सत्यम ला रहा है हमारी फज की चीजें. हुडा ब्यूटी के बैग में आती है गाइस. बोजी डॉग पी पैड्स फज्जू के और पानी और गेंद. फजी गेंद. What is? क्या है? Fajji, what is come? You want ball? You want your ball? Take. Okay, bye Satyam, see you. Chalo, let's go Shwetadi's house. Long drive pe chalo Fajju, long drive. Today only you have to open the door. Hi baby. Hi, like a boy. What happened? Yeah, I know. Shushu want to make. Where's your bathroom? Where the bathroom is right there. See, Mama's putting your pee pad. Fajji, where Mama put your pee pad? Go make Shushu there. Arey, pee pad छोड़ के हर जगह.
The next day.
I think it's gonna be fab. Yeah. I'm very excited.
Many hours later.
Guys, ये addicted to you trend करने में मेरा coffee addiction is going out of hand because मेरी प्यारी coffee बर्बाद हो रही है. but ये सारा हमारा जो samples जो expire हो जाते हैं वहाँ पर रखे हुए जो fresh jar में भरा गया है. Okay, let's do again. Expired coffee भी इतनी अच्छी smell कर रही है.
Yeah.
मुझे बुरा लग रहा है. पक्का expired ही है ना?
Yeah, it is.
Coffee waste कर रहे हो ना?
No, Papa.
Guys, light है उससे पहले I need to finish this before because I have to do makeup look for a brand video. Let's try one with open hair.
1, 2, 3, start.
Sharon was not recording, guys. वो इतनी hopeless है ना.
कभी होता है ऐसा.
कभी वो कभी देखो. और फिर मेरे को बोलती है मैं कंटेंट नहीं शूट करती हूँ. कौन मेरे को हैरान करता है कंटेंट के टाइम पे.
Yes, I'm so sorry.
Good night, you come. This girl is not
I am
capable.
doing 1, 2, 3,
Recording
start.
नहीं press कर रही है.
अभी start.
मेरी चेयर और मेरा रूम. I have dropped the full coffee. I don't know what I've done because the expressions distracted me.
हालत देखो, सुबह से कॉफी गिरा रहे और साफ कर रहे.
मेरा पूरा घर and my hand is smelling so much like coffee. Guys, look at the coffee situation. It's getting out of hands. Now you na don't laugh nothing. Okay, coffee गिरे, टूटे, bottle टूटे, कुछ भी हो.
1, 2, 3, start.
This is expired coffee and it smells so good. And लोग बोलते हैं coffee aroma नहीं आ रहा. Impulse coffee का aroma नहीं आया ऐसा होता है. Fajji, I'm going for Bati's. Fajji, don't have coffee from the floor.
A few moments later.
Guys, I am shadi ready. Not going for shadi, but getting ready for shadi because I'm doing a wedding guest makeup look and skin is now skinning finally. सारे मेरे acne अभी settle हो रहे हैं जो नए आए थे skin treatment के बाद. My neck got burnt in Goa, so that is pretty bad right now. I have to put some ointment and settle that neck situation. I'll show you the sari. It is so beautiful. There's this shop called Emiraz by Indrani. They are in South Bombay and they make amazing Indian clothing. Like every time I need some Indian outfit, it mostly comes from them and it is so beautiful. Like every time I wear an outfit from them, I feel so beautiful because it's so stunning. Like look at the work. It is like this entire peacock feather situation, the neckline, the blouse, everything. Like detailing is so nice. And this is what the full sari looks like in all its glory with all the pasara in the back of our studio. Please excuse that because वो सब shoot का सामान है, but this is so stunning. I absolutely love the work on this sari. I hope I get to wear it for an actual function soon. Now let's do my makeup look. Alright guys, done with the makeup. This is the festive base makeup that I have created. It's so nice, so simple. Bold lip and a very good long lasting base makeup routine. I'm now going to do that Addicted to You ka after. Uske liye main sari mein se utrungi and I'll do some... What am I wearing for the Addicted to?
Brown, no?
Brown dress.
You have that brown, वो buckle वाला पहन सकते हैं.
That top with that.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Then brown lip with a lip gloss and... What happened to Fudge? Fudge is like नींद में से उठा दिया मुझे.
Yeah, मतलब क्यों?
क्यों उठाया? Why? Fudge was also with me, not till 3 o'clock in the night. How am I looking? Oh, so sweet, mama's boy. Mama's boy, so sweet. This all chubne wala kapda he doesn't like. I'm changing into soft clothes for you.
Later that same evening.
Guys, I still have one very important brand edit to do. I have to end this vlog so that I can give my footage to my editor so she can edit this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. This hustle is crazy and I hope the Addicted to You trend ho jaye. Sharon, give me lipstick, lip gloss, all that. I do makeup while she's multitasking. Yeah, of course. On a bye माँ. मेरी माँ बाप ऑफिस में आ रहे हैं और बहुत सारा चीजें. आज अकाउंट्स टीम भी आई है तो बहुत हलचल है ऑफिस में. ज्यादा भरा हुआ घर लग रहा है. Not in a good way. Anyway, I will see you in the next vlog. The hustle continues. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Today's Impulse Insider is that I have been so busy because we are working on one of the biggest requests that Impulse customers have ever had from us. And इसलिए हमारे हाथ इतने बंधे हुए because we are all working towards that launch and everybody's hands are full in just planning for it. So आज आईने पे भी जो लिखा था वही था but वो आपको vlog में कहीं नहीं दिखने मिल रहा है. We will ensure अभी आईना पहुंच चुके हैं और अगर कहीं दिख रहा है तो वो blur हो जाएगा. But that's the Impulse Insider. Guess in the comments कि हम क्या launch करने वाले हैं. For today's video, Saskashar goes to Humorous Kudi. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be a part of next video, Saskashar, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, bell icon right next to it. Also leave a comment down below saying #SaraSquad. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Love you. Mwah.